Hey friends, what's up? We are just creating a voting system. So this is just the interface, and by pressing any of these buttons you can vote for your favorite player. For example, vote for Ronaldo. Just your vote has been cast for Cristiano Ronaldo. So just come here. For right now Ronaldo is just 5 vote. Ronaldo has 5 vote. After refreshing, now you can see it's saved. So our main purpose is just by clicking on this button after voting this. So just by clicking on view results, so we want to just display the result here on this page, just here in front of us. So for that you can just come here after this curly braces. I'm just writing here just for this new section, just start it. New section started. We are just going to start from here. So I'm just saving this all coding here, and I'll just send these all resources with this course for you in case if you find any just problem, any error occurred at time of just practicing, so you can just see from these resources, you can just take help. So here we are just going to use if is set commands. So many times we have used if set commands during this just projects. $_get, this time we are using get method because we have just created a variable just by using get method here, this called result. So inside this I'm just going to results, calling this, and curly braces. After that, inside curly braces you need to create two local variable. You can just select the name, just an easy name like get words is the first one. The second one is $run_words. Sorry, very simple. So inside first one is equal to just we are going to say select all from votes. Votes is the name of our table. Yes, select all from votes. So inside the second one is equals to MySQLi underscore query. We are just running the MySQLi query just for getting the data, for getting the data from here. From just we have just created a connection here. You can see this con from here, and open a round bracket and dollar connection and comma dollar get underscore votes. Very simple, and a semicolon at the end. After that you need to just pass this all data inside an array. So for that you need to just create another variable, this called row_votes. Votes is equal to MySQLi underscore fetch underscore array. You are going to just pass out the data from local variable to inside variables because this is a multiple array and you want to just take the display of this data on browser also. That's why we are just going to use array. Array is used just for displaying the data or just for repeating the data multiple times for displaying the data. Sorry, run_votes that we have just created here. We are just calling this. So after that you can just come here and we are just creating a variable by name of Messi, MESSI. Messi is equal to $row_votes. $row_votes. Very simple. Inside this Messi, we are just going to pass out Messi from here. You can see we have just given here Messi, Drogba, Ronaldo. We are just taking data from those fields. So it's very easy. Messi is equal to row_votes, and this one duplicate two more time. This time it is Drogba, Drogba, and here also Drogba. This time is Ronaldo, dollar RONALDO, Ronaldo, and here also Ronaldo, RONALDO, Ronaldo. So we have just created three variables by the name of Messi, Drogba, Ronaldo, and we are just taking the data from these fields. I have just shown you from these fields by pressing on these buttons. So after that, you can just create another variable, dollar count is equal to, you can say, dollar Messi plus dollar Drogba plus dollar Ronaldo. Very simple, semicolon at the end. So you are just going to collect or just plus all the numbers, all the just words in one place. So like this, you can just come down here, dollar PR underscore Messi is just another variable, Messi, dollar sign, not hash sign. Dollar Messi is equal to, we are going to use here round formula. If you have worked inside axis, so round formula is using for just removing extra values, extra data. So if you have worked inside axis, you will know what's round formula. So inside this, we are just going to pass out dollar Messi multiply by 100 and divide by dollar the count number, this one that we have just saved here, and count very easily, dollar count. Here you can put a dot and double quotation, you can just insert a percentage sign here, duplicate two more time, this is just Drogba, Drogba, and here also you can change Messi to dollar Drogba. So here you can say percentage, PR is the shortcut of percentage, Ronaldo, or ONALDO, and here also Ronaldo. Very simple. So after this, you can just come here, simply echo double quotation and semicolon. Inside this, you are going to work, just create a div start and div start and div close. So inside this div, I'm just going to create I'm just going to use style inline. Style is equal to, you can say, the background background orange. I want to just display the data inside this div, so the display output data, background orange. Padding, you can say just 10 pixel of padding, and one more attribute you are going to use, sorry, text align, text dash align center. So after that, inside this div, you can just use a center tag here, center tag start and center tag close. I will just explain this later. Now I'm just writing the course. So here, heading 2, we're going to use for just writing something like updated result. So updated result, and after this you can just start ptag and ptag start, ptag close. Inside the ptag, you are going to use css inline. Style is equal to, you can say, background, you can say black background. For this one, text color should be white, and padding we are going to use here, padding 10px, or yes, 10px is okay. And what can we use else here? Background color, black color, text color, white, padding, width, you can just define a width for this, something like 500 pixel width. width is equal to 500 px. This all. So after that, inside this btag you can just open a btag b start and btag close. Btag inside btag Lionel Messi. Yes, Lionel Messi. And here you can just use dollar MESSI Messi. And also inside this round bracket, I'm just writing here dollar PR underscore Messi. Yes, this one. And this all. You can just save this. Now just come here, refresh. So there is no error. Just click on any of these button, for example this one, vote for Messi. So your vote has been cast for Lionel Messi. View results. So you can see Lionel Messi 9. So there is an error. Discard $sign. Control S and just come here, refresh. Now you can see Lionel Messi has got 9 votes and from 100 35%. So this very easy. You can just copy this ptag, Control C, paste 1 time, 2 time. So this one is just for, you can say, Didier Drogba, and also Drogba. ISTIANO Cristiano Ronaldo. Here also Ronaldo, and here also percentage you can set Ronaldo, RONALDO. Just save this. Now come here and refresh. You can see Messi is 35%, Didier Drogba is 38%, and Cristiano Ronaldo is 27%. You can just vote for Ronaldo. Now it's 27 and 7. Vote. Your vote has been cast for Cristiano Ronaldo. View result. Now you can see it's on 30%. One more vote. View result. You can see that 2%. And you can just give vote just like this. It will increase the percentage and the vote just automatically. Now I'm just going to I will tell just a summary of this. So we have just run if is set commands. So if someone is just clicking on this result means view result, you can see this here, view result, this one. If someone is clicking on this, so on that case we have just created one variable by the name of get votes. So we have just selected the data from the votes, and we have just run the MySQL query to get the data from just my connection and get votes from this variable. And row underscore vote is another just local variable that we have passed. By the help of this we have passed the data from the local variable inside array. You can see MySQL fetch array is a query that you can just pass the data from local variable inside an array, and we have just call run votes inside this round bracket. Very simple. So Messi is just another local variable that will get data just by pressing on Messi. Vote for Messi. By this one, vote for Drogba, vote for Ronaldo. So you can see here. So we have just created another local variable, and this called count. We have just plus all the number, Messi plus Drogba plus Ronaldo. We have just collected all the votes. You can see we have plus all the votes, and here we have just you can see you have used another local variable, this called percentage underscore Messi. I have just written the short form, and we have used round formula just for removing extra you can say extra values. In case if you are not using here round, I'm just going to cut this or just remove this. and this one also. Save this. For the first one you have not used here, you can see round formula. Now you can come here and refresh. So vote for Messi, view result. So you can see here is just 31.25%, something like this. So if you are using round formula, so it will just remove this extra value. So that's why we are just going to use here round formula. Round, break it open and break it close here. Control S. Now come here, refresh. Now you can see there is no extra value. So after that you have simply echo this. Inside this we have used the div and we have used CSS inline background orange. So you can see the background is orange, and padding 10 pixel, text align center, and heading to updated result. You can see heading to updated result we have used here, and another p-tag background black, text color white. So background black you can see, and text color white is this all. And we have used here you can see per percentage underscore Drogba, percentage underscore Messi, Ronaldo. So you can see here inside this round bracket. That's why we have used here, and I have used here a percentage sign. So this, for this one you can see we have displayed that one here. So this project is going to be end here. Now this completed. So till next video, just watch all the videos and please do practice. So I'll just come back in next class. We'll just discuss about a new lecture. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.